Quick room tour of 7937. Just like the other studios, when you walk in, you get a microwave, sink, coffee maker, Joffrey's coffee, toaster, ice bucket, plates, paperware, plasticware, mini fridge, garbage. You also have this armoire credenza type thing where you can hang stuff. Single bed, good lighting, plenty of pillows. And then this is a pull-out couch. Beautiful artwork here. Little end table with a phone. Double coffee table so you can take it apart and stuff. Nice mirror. Also good lighting as well. Somehow you can turn these on. Over here. See. And dresser with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 storage areas. Got a nice welcome on the screen. And then the outside, our room. Oh wow, there's some animals right there. You have the beginning of the savannah here, and then the pool is right there. Lots of bamboo. Pool bar, they have food at the pool bar, and then you have some cattle down there eating some food, and they have a little watering hole. And then down there is where, if you are there while there's a cast member, they might be able to take you back down this path which goes down there. There's also seating out here, a little table, another chair there. Bathroom includes, of course, a toilet, huge stone counter, sink, towels, and bathroom, shower. More towels there. Pretty good for two. And that's pretty much the room tour. It's a small room studio on the Kidani side. If you enjoyed that, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye, dudes.